human can be augmented and empowered with that.
We have a very quick tech talk that will be beginning in less than 2 minutes right here at AWS. Please come on in and grab yourselves a free customized luggage tag and take one home with you from the luggage line right here at the AWS booth. All right, everyone, we're about to get started with our next presentation. We have a fascinating tech talk for you today titled From Data to Execution, AI-Powered Price and Promo Management at Scale. And now, please welcome Peter from Last Yard. Let's give him a very warm round of applause.
Thank you, Ryan, for that truly amazing introduction.